Hi! In this video, I will show you how to pay with gift card in McDonald's app. So if you're stuck right here on the payment method, as you can see right here, we have no option to pay with gift card. It only supports right here Visa, debit or credit, PayPal, Venmo, MasterCard, Amex, and Discover. So as of right now, it's important to know that the app does not currently support adding gift card as a payment method. However, there's a workaround around here. So you can use it. You can use your physical McDonald's gift card at any participating restaurant, and it can actually pay to the counter, drive-through, or kiosk. You just need to simply present your gift card. You can also use your gift card through delivery services like DoorDash or Uber Eats, and some of these platforms allow you to add your McDonald's gift card as a payment option. Now you can also use your Arch card. And if you have an Arch card, which is a reloadable type of McDonald's gift card, you can check its balance and manage it online through McDonald's website, and it can be added through there. So that's how you pay with gift card in McDonald's app. I hope this video helped you out.